In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Binance with simple tips for beginners. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or looking to maximize your gains, these straightforward strategies will help you get started and find some success on Binance. First, let's explore Binance Earn. This is a fantastic way to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Think of it as a kind of saving account for your cryptocurrencies. By depositing your digital assets into Binance Earn, you can earn regular interest payouts. This feature is great because it allows you to passively earn on the crypto you already own. Instead of letting your assets sit idle in your wallet, Binance Earn can help you grow them over time. Just make sure you understand the terms and conditions, as different cryptocurrencies and lockup periods can provide varying rates of return. Next up, consider using the Auto Invest feature for passive, long-term gains. Auto Invest allows you to automate crypto purchases on a regular schedule, such as weekly or monthly. This strategy takes advantage of a concept known as dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount consistently over time, you can reduce the impact of volatility and potentially lower your average cost per crypto unit. It's particularly helpful for those who want to save time and avoid the stress of timing the market. Now let's talk about trading on the spot market. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at the current market price. This strategy is suitable for those who enjoy actively monitoring market trends and are willing to buy low and sell high to turn a profit. It's important to do your research and understand how different factors, such as news events or market sentiment, can impact prices. Practice and start small to get the hang of it before risking larger amounts. Another opportunity on Binance is peer-to-peer or P2P trading. This feature allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrency directly with other users using cash or other payment methods. P2P trading can be advantageous because it often provides more flexibility and better rates than traditional exchanges. It's crucial to understand the fees involved and ensure you're dealing with credible parties to avoid any potential issues. By leveraging these methods, you can start earning money on Binance, regardless of your experience level. Whether you prefer passive earning through Binance Earn and Auto Invest, or more active engagement through spot and P2P trading, there's a strategy that can work for you. Remember, the key to success in cryptocurrency is to stay informed, be patient, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Happy investing, and thanks for joining me in exploring how you can make the most of your Binance experience.